Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hey everybody! So this was inspired by one of my friends. Her name is Bonnie Sanchez, and she gave me something like this for when I went to Onstage. It was a little 3D kind of a thing where, and I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. I'll show you hers. So it says hello friend, and on the inside was a whole bunch of 3x3 little cards. So I thought that was awesome. So I did the same sort of thing, except I put my own spin on it. So I'm not including envelopes, but I am making these cutesy 3x3, and this is all the new in colors. So we've got pretty peacock, terracotta tile, purple posy, rococo rose, and seaside spray. All right, and this absolutely adorable little box with, I just love this. I love this pattern. And yes, there's a little magnet here as well, because there's one here that you can't hear. So anyway, it keeps the box closed. I used a little stitched hello as well. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to make it. You're going to be interested in this, trust me. So I am using rococo rose. I have to say it like that. I don't know why. I feel like a flamenco dancer when I say it like that. It's very important for me to speak in that manner. Okay, so you need a piece of cardstock that is 8 by 11, or sorry, 8.5 by 11. So one full sheet of paper. And on, let's do the short side first. On the short side, we are going to score at 1 3/4, then 2.5, then 6, and 6 3/4. Spin it around. We're going to score at 2.5, 3 1/4, 6 3/4, and 7.5. We're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. You can tell that there is these shorter rectangles and then these longer rectangles. So this is going to be this flap here. Okay, so we need to take away all 4 of these rectangles here and 4 here. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to take all 3 of these guys off. I'm going to cut up on that square, and I'm going to wedge out. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on these tabs here. I'm going to use my paper as a, my table as a guide. So I'm bringing this free edge up to that score line. So that helps keep the box together while we're messing with all the other parts. Okay, so now I'm going to put adhesive and adhesive, and really these two bits should meet. So you can put adhesive along the whole bottom if you wanted to. All right, so now we need a piece of cardstock here, and let me measure. This is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. These are called neodymium magnets. They're very strong. Putting that in the center. Now I'm going to use my adhesive. Should I put? I'm going to do the same thing I did in the other one. I've covered that magnet just with this designer series paper. So now I think this is called the Pretty Label Punch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go halfway. And I've punched that out. And now, just like I did with this guy, I'm going to trim off, going to follow the designer series paper here and here. You don't have to do this. This is optional. I just didn't like what I was, I'd rather have it scalloped with no white on it. I don't know why it bothered me. So I'm trimming stuff off. You can leave it. There. So for me to have a little scallop and so that you're able to take the cards off and on, and to have a little angled edge just finishes that off a little bit more for me. So I'm going to put the second neodymium magnet. You can find them on eBay. I think I got mine from Spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, Spider magnets, not Spider-Man magnets, just spider, like the bug. All right, so now I've picked that little magnet up. So now that will close perfectly. And now all I have to do is put this guy right on the front. So this is just some StazOn black ink. This isn't even a stitch circle, this is just a layering circle. And I've used the Itty Bitty Greetings stamp set. So a little hello is right here. And I actually did make these little cards to go inside. So this will be a nice little hostess gift, something for someone special. And I love the fact that you can actually reach inside and grab them. All right, so that's my share for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.